The solid principles are a set of design principles that are intended to guide software developers in creating maintainable, scalable, and flexible software, introduced by Robert C. Martin. The SOLID acronym stands for Single Responsibility Principle. A class should have only one reason to change, meaning it should have only one responsibility or job. This principle encourages developers to design classes that have a clear and specific purpose, making the code modular and easier to understand. Open/closed principle. Software entities like classes, modules, functions should be open for extension but closed for modification. This principle promotes the idea that you should be able to add new functionality to a system without altering existing code. This is often achieved through the use of interfaces, abstract classes, and polymorphism. Liskov substitution principle. Objects of a superclass should be replaceable with objects of a subclass without affecting the correctness of the program. This principle ensures that derived classes extend the functionality of their base classes without changing their behavior. In other words, a subclass should be able to substitute for its base class without causing errors or unexpected behavior. Interface segregation principle. A class should not be forced to implement interfaces it does not use. This principle suggests that it's better to have several small, specific interfaces rather than a large, general one. This way, classes can implement only the interfaces that are relevant to them, avoiding the burden of implementing unnecessary methods. Dependency inversion principle. High-level modules should not depend on low-level modules. Both should depend on abstractions. Abstractions should not depend on details. Details should depend on abstractions. This principle encourages the use of abstractions, e.g., interfaces or abstract classes, to decouple high-level and low-level modules, promoting a flexible and maintainable code base.